How to move search bar to bottom of screen on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. Now, open Safari browser on your iPhone. Here, you can see the search bar is at the top of your screen. We need to bring it to the bottom. Minimize the application. Open Settings on your iPhone. Once you are on this page, scroll all the way to the end. Tap on Apps. Here, you will find all the applications on your phone. You need to look for Safari from here. Once you find it, tap on it. Then, scroll down to this section. Select the option tab bar from here. Once you've done it, minimize settings and open Safari on your iPhone. You will find the search bar at the bottom of your screen. There you go, you have successfully moved the search bar at the bottom of your screen. So by following these simple steps, you can easily move the search bar at the bottom of your iPhone.